Are you looking for a quick way to track website leads in Salesforce? In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to set up and track leads directly from your website using Salesforce. Stick around, and I'll also share a secret that'll help you maximize your Salesforce experience, one that you can use for free, along with some exclusive bonuses. Trust me, you'll want to stay till the end for that. Let's dive in with the first thing you need to do: connect your website forms to Salesforce. If you're using contact forms or lead capture forms on your website, the first step is making sure that these forms are connected to your Salesforce account. Salesforce offers various ways to do this, but one of the simplest is by using a tool like Web2Lead. With Web2Lead, every time someone fills out a form on your site, their information automatically gets captured and sent to your Salesforce system. Next thing, map your form fields to Salesforce fields. This is crucial because you want to ensure that the data captured on your website is sent to the right fields in Salesforce. You can set up your form to collect information like name, email, phone number, and even things like company size or interest areas, and then map each field to the corresponding Salesforce field. This ensures that the leads are entered properly into your Salesforce system for follow-up. The third thing, set up lead assignment rules. After your leads come in, you'll want to assign them to the right salespeople. You can create rules in Salesforce that automatically assign leads based on criteria such as geographic location, lead source, or even specific lead score. This helps ensure that your team can act on these leads quickly without having to manually distribute them. The fourth thing, automate lead nurturing. Once a lead comes into Salesforce, you can set up automated workflows to nurture those leads. For example, you can send automated welcome emails, follow-up emails, or even reminders to your sales team to reach out. This helps you stay on top of leads without missing a beat. Next thing, track and analyze lead data. One of the most powerful features of Salesforce is its ability to track lead activity and engagement. You can set up custom reports and dashboards to see how your leads are progressing, what sources are driving the most traffic, and how quickly leads are getting converted into customers. With this data, you can make smarter decisions and improve your lead generation efforts over time. And now, here's the bonus I mentioned at the beginning. You can use Salesforce for free with an exclusive extended trial offer linked below. Get access to all the powerful features I've just shared and start tracking leads from your website right away without committing to anything. It's a risk-free opportunity to see how Salesforce can transform your business. To recap, tracking website leads in Salesforce involves connecting your website forms, mapping fields, setting up lead assignment rules, automating lead nurturing, and analyzing lead data. Follow these steps, and you'll be on your way to a seamless lead tracking experience. Remember, check out the link below for an extended free trial of Salesforce, plus exclusive bonuses. Thanks for watching.